Welcome to the Orpheus training series. This will be a short lesson on how to use the contact duplication feature. This is a really useful feature when you have a situation like the Pertussis outbreak that's happening here in summer 2012, where you'll have a lot of contacts that you enter for a case and you need to duplicate them for another case. So for example, if we're taking a look at the contacts tab of this particular Pertussis case here for Sam, and we see that we've already entered 6. If we just click this feature at the bottom, Copy Contacts, we'll notice that there are no cases yet to copy the contacts to. And so this feature doesn't really do anything until one of these contacts becomes a confirmed case of pertussis, and then all of these other contacts really should be connected to that new case. So for example, let's say that we discover that Robert here becomes infected with pertussis. So what we do is first we'd make a case record for Robert. So we do that by clicking Show Person and then Create Case down here, New Case. And then we put in the disease. So we'll put in pertussis, and then the status confirmed by lab. We can put in the county, and that will then do the normal case search process to find a match and goes ahead and create a case for Robert. And right now we notice that on the Contacts tab he does not yet have any contacts because it doesn't automatically bring them across. So what happens is if we close this and go back to our original case of Sam, now when we click the Copy Contacts button, it'll show us a list of the contacts that we have for Sam, but it also says, oh, by the way, Robert is now, in addition to being a contact of Sam's case, has his own case record. And so we can click Select. And by the way, you can select more than one. So if more than one of your contacts actually has a case, you can do this for more than one. Copy all the contacts for the index case to several of the case records. Anyway, so I went ahead and selected it. I'm going to click the Duplicate Contacts button, and that's going to confirm that I really want to copy them. And then it's going to go ahead and copy those 6 contacts to that one case. And so that basically doesn't copy it doesn't copy Robert to his own case, and it does add the index case Sam to Robert's case. So I can confirm all that by clicking on this Robert record again, clicking Show Person, and then now we actually see that Robert has a case record which I can click. And if I go to the Contacts tab for Robert, I can see all those other contacts have been entered. Now some of the information for each of these contacts is going to be different, like the relation to the case. You know, maybe these were, maybe one of the case was a child and the other one was an adult, so their relationship's not going to be student, their relationship might be teacher or something else. And so there's definitely some things you're going to need to do to go through each of these contacts. But basically, that's how this feature works. Thanks for your time.